oh, 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 oh. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, 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 hey.
Well, there is something about you.
Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl.
Well, there is something about you.
Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl.
Well, there is something about you.
Well, I just wanted you to know that you were really special. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. I just wanted you to know that you were really special. Hey, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Beautiful by Snoop Dogg and Pharrell Williams. We're going to do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Alright, the good news is that we have just two chord shapes that we are going to use in this tutorial. But the bad news is that the groove is absolutely the trickiest one that I have ever played, I think. So let's start with the chords first and then we'll dig a little bit further into the groove and the rhythmic part. It's kind of challenging, but it's doable. I believe that you can do it. So we start with F sharp minor, but grab like E minor. So basically the E minor chord, right? We have the E minor as well, but this is the shape that we're playing throughout most of the time, right? So we started with this shape, but up here, starting from the 4th fret on the A string, 5th fret on the E string, C string, 6th fret, and we don't play the G string. Actually, for the whole song, I'm just resting my thumb here on the G string and I'm never really playing it. I'm either doing this with these two fingers, just gently doing up strums, or plucking with 3 fingers like this. But I think that actually with the up strums it's easier to keep the groove going. After that we have the chord of G, but grab like this. Okay, again we're not playing the G string, although here you can play it, but you know, I'm just trying to keep it as much as possible the same with this hand, because the whole trick to this song is just to teach this hand how to do this automatically, so you'll be able to sing after that. Okay, so after the G we have very slight B minor here with the same shape as E minor, but up here from top to bottom it is 9, 10, 11. Then getting back to the G chord and finally the E minor. All right? As a matter of fact, in the simplest possible way that you can play this is just F sharp minor, beautiful for 1 bar, G for 1 bar, I just want you to know, and then E minor for 2 bars. You're my favorite girl. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Hey, 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 hey. All right, but of course you're not here for this. You want to be able to play this. Okay, the good thing about this whole thing is that we're doing the same thing with the right hand on every bar, right? And just the left hand here is changing the positions. So we start with the F sharp minor, and maybe the trickiest thing of all is that we're not playing on the first time. The first time is actually a pause. So it's 1 and, right? Slight pause, 1 more up, slight pause, 1 more up, and then we have this pa-da-pa, okay? Wow. One. and then we have the G, ba, ba. But here the third up strum is actually on B minor, and getting back for the faster up strums on G. So G, G, B minor, G, 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 E minor, E minor, E minor, E, 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 E minor, E minor, E minor, E, E, E. So let's try it slower. Ba, da, ba, da, ba, da. Ba, da, ba, ba, da, ba, da, ba, da. Da, da, ba, ba, da, ba, da, ba, da. Da, da, ba, ba, da, ba, da, ba, da. Da, 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 ba, da, ba, da, ba, da. Da, 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 ba, da, ba, da, ba, da. Da, 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 ba, da, ba, da, ba, da. Da, 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 ba, da, ba, da, ba, da. Here for this song, the teaching materials are even more helpful than for the other songs on the channel because it's a very tricky groove, and in the learning materials you have the interactive tabs which you can slow down, let it play with a metronome track, and it will allow you to play in time very slowly, and that way you're teaching your hand how to do this automatically. If you spend like 15 minutes to half an hour, I believe that you'll be very close. So if you want to get access to it, check out the link in the description. I believe that it will be very helpful. Here it is. Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. And I just wanted you to know that you were really special. And this sums up my tutorial for Beautiful by Snoop Dogg. Wow, I can't believe that I did a Snoop Dogg song, but here it is. I hope you enjoyed this. Request songs in the comments below. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.